how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online English literature class, and yesterday we have completed with our chapter number 5, that was the happy field. So yesterday we have completed all the question answers and make sentences, so which was the last exercise of our chapter. So today what we are going to do is the revision of this chapter. Okay, so you all know that after completing every chapter we do one revision exercise in which we give mix exercises to you all. Okay, so first of all, before starting this video, I want to show you that what all exercises we have done in this chapter. So first of all, we have done hard words, and there were 12 hard words in this chapter. Okay, then the second exercise was of word meanings, and there were around 11 word meanings in this chapter. So I hope you all have completed that, and those who have not completed, please make sure that you will first complete all your notebook exercises in sequential order, and then after that you will do the revision work. Okay, then the third exercise was of fill in the blanks, in which I have given you 6 fill in the blanks, and I hope you all have done it. Then yesterday I have given you the fourth exercise, that was of question answers, in which I have given you 5 question answers, and the last exercise was of make sentences with 4 make sentences in it. So I hope you all have completed that, and please make sure, children, again I am telling you that those who have not completed, so please first complete all the exercises of this chapter in your notebooks and then do this revision work. Okay, now coming to our today's exercise. Okay, so this is our part 1 video of English literature, in which we are going to do revision exercise, and in part 2 video we will be doing some book exercises which were left. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you will take out a new page in your revision notebook, and remember that all the revision work will be done in your separate revision notebook. Okay, then write down today's date, that is 17/8/2021. First line, you will write down the heading of the chapter with its number, that is chapter number 5, the happy field. In the next line, you will give the heading of revision. What we are going to do today is revision. Now first is of word meanings. So out of 11 word meanings, I have given you only 5 word meanings, which today we will be doing in our revision work. Okay, so let's get started. First word is plain. Plain, plain. Now what is the meaning of the word plain? Simple and bare. So what you will write? SIMPLE, simple, AND, and BARE, bare. जहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं होता, सिर्फ प्लेन एक फील्ड होती है, दैट इज नोन एज प्लेन. ओके, सिंपल एंड बेयर. Then coming to the second word, that is dull. DULL, dull. So what is the meaning of dull? Not interesting. When you are not interested in something, that means it is a dull thing. So you will write here not, NOT, not interesting. INTERESTING, interesting. Then comes the third word, that is sobbed. SOBBED, sobbed. Now what is the meaning of the word sobbed? Cried noisily. जब आप की डांट पड़ती है, आप लोग रोते हो, आप लोग क्राई करते हो, that is known as sobbed. Okay, cried noisily. NOISELY, noisily. Clear to you all? Now coming to the fourth word, that is hollow. HOLLOW, hollow. So the meaning of the word hollow is an empty, EMPTY, empty hole. HOLE, hole. Hollow is an empty hole. Now coming to the fifth word, that is lane, and this is the last word of our word meanings in revision today. So lane, meaning of lane is a narrow way. NARROW, narrow, WAY, way. A narrow way, एक बहुत पतला रास्ता. Is that clear to you all? Now I hope you all have understood the word meanings very nicely and carefully. Now moving towards the second exercise, that is of fill in the blanks. So again in the next page you will write down part B, fill in the blanks, and you will start doing your fill in the blanks. So in all I have given you only 3 fill in the blanks. Is that clear? Now the first one is the field decided to grow a dash. Field ने क्या decide किया था grow करने के लिए? The field decided to grow a hump. So you will write here HUMP, hump. Now coming to the second sentence, the field dash his new friends. Field ने अपने नए friends को क्या किया था? He started loving them. So the field loved his new friend. LOVED, loved. Okay. And the last one is the bees took the dash from the flowers. So flowers में क्या होता है? Nectar. So bees क्या लेके जाते थे flowers में से? NECTAR, nectar. So I hope fill in the blanks are also clear to you all. Once again I am repeating. Number 1, the field decided to grow a hump, HUMP, hump. Then second is the field loved his new friends, and the third one is the bees took the nectar from the flowers. So children, please listen to it very carefully, and I hope you all have understood how you will do this revision work in your notebooks. Now coming to the third exercise, okay, and the third exercise is of question answers. So now children, coming to the next exercise of revision, that is question and answers. So I hope you all have understood the question answers which I explained you yesterday, and I hope you all have completed that. And if in any case if you have not completed your question answers, so make sure that you complete your question answers first and then learn them, and then only do this exercise in your revision notebooks. Okay, so in this video I am only explaining all the answers by writing them, but in the assignment when I will type the questions I will not write the answers. It's your own way to write your answers. Okay, so now let's get started. Question number 1 is, how did the field grow a hump? Field ने hump कैसे grow किया था? So the question is, how did the field grow a hump? Okay, so इस question में क्या पूछा गया है कि field ने अपने ऊपर hump कैसे grow किया था? So your answer is the field, FIELD, field pushed, PUSHED, pushed in a rough way. ROUGH is known as rough. Okay, rough way till it, TILL, till it grew, GREW, grew a beautiful hump, BEAUTIFUL, beautiful hump, HUMP, hump. Okay, the field pushed in a rough way till it grew a beautiful hump. This is your answer number 1. Now coming to the second question, what did the cloud do to the hollow in the ground? जब clouds ने hollow देखा था ground में तो उन्होंने क्या किया? So the answer is the cloud, the CLOUD, cloud. You can also see the spelling of cloud from the question only. The cloud poured, 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 rain, 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 into the hollow. So you will write here in the next page, as I have completed one page, into the HOLLOW, hollow. Is that clear to you all? So in all I have given you only 2 questions for revision. First one is, how did the field grow a hump? And the answer is, the field pushed in a rough way till it grew a beautiful hump. Now children, remember one thing, अगर आपको question में word grow दिया है तो answer में वो grow का grew हो जाएगा. Okay, now coming to the second question, what did the cloud do to the hollow in the ground? And the answer is, the cloud poured rain into the hollow. Is that clear? जब क्लाउड्स ने हॉलो देखा था ग्राउंड में तो उन्होंने उसमें बारिश करके बारिश का पानी भर दिया था. So that is all for today's first part video. I hope you all have understood the revision part. Now please make sure after completing all your exercises in notebooks, please make sure you complete this revision work in your revision notebook only. Is that clear? Now after this children, please switch on to my part 2 video in which I will be giving you one book exercise. Is that clear? So switch on to my next video, part 2 video.